Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at this 2015 Chevy Silverado 1500. It's lifted and it looks great. Let's take a look at it right away, shall we? Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. You have the chrome bumper. Taking a look at the lift under here, this was lifted by our friends over at Custom Offset. They do such a great job. Really want to highlight the work here. You have alloy wheels. Those are 22-inch off-road alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Great tread left. Running boards on the side. Inside, cloth interior. The seats are very clean all the way throughout. Center console folds up and becomes an additional third seat, making this a 6-seater. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch and a rear backup camera on the back. Your racing stripes do follow through all the way back here. Spray-in bed liner and the soft cover are going to keep the bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, four-wheel drive controls, cruise audio and Bluetooth mounted here, full touchscreen that includes your stereo, and you have dual climate controls here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Silverado on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.